The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northfield, or 9 miles northwest of Orange, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Northfield, Bernardston, Irving, Gill, Royalston, and Warwick. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect